it's Miss Miranda with At Home Learning. We're talking about seeds again, talking about these two words. Life cycle. The life cycle of a plant starts with the seed first. Second comes the what? Right. Third comes the good job. Fourth comes the awesome work. And then we start the cycle all over again. Then we talked about the parts of a plant. The roots, what do they do? Yes, the stem, what does it do? Awesome. The leaves, yes, and the flowers. Good job, boys and girls. In the story this week, Miss Miranda read the Lorax to you. And do you remember what happened in the Lorax? It takes us, if we do not do something to help the trees, unless we do something, the trees will be gone forever, right? So it's our job to do what? Plant more trees. So Miss Miranda has a plant. Okay? I have some soil, a little pot, some seeds, and some water. So what I'm going to do is drop my little pellet of soil. I have 1 tablespoon of water in my cup. I'm going to drop this pellet in. And so what the pellet's doing is it's absorbing the water, kind of like a root does. So do you see? The soil's growing, growing, growing because it's absorbing the water. Look what's happening. The soil is growing taller and taller and taller until all the water is sucked up. Nice. So now Miss Miranda had her pellet and now it has turned into what? Soil. See my soil? Yeah. Do roots need soil to grow? They absolutely do. The soil gives them nutrients. There's water in the soil. We saw that. So now I'm going to take my soil in my little cup. I'm going to put it in. Have you ever planted a plant before? I know a lot of you have. I've seen some pictures of some things that some of my friends have been doing at home, different things in their gardens that they're going to plant. Miss Miranda's going to send some pictures to you guys of her garden too. Okay, now I have my container and my soil inside. Now I need to add my seeds. I wonder if these seeds are going to be big or small. What do you think? The bag size? Maybe a big seed? Maybe a small, oh, they're super duper teeny tiny. I'm gonna pour the seeds in. They're little tiny seeds. What do we know that grows from a little tiny seed? Okay, there we go. It has water, soil. So now I need to give it some what? Air and sun. And I will do that. Next week, Miss Miranda is going to use some seeds in your bag and we're going to plant and do something with one of these seeds in the window. And one of these seeds is going to need soil. And who knows what we'll do with the rest of these seeds. So your independent practice today is your plant life cycle flip book. You're going to color it, you're going to cut it, and you're going to staple it together. And when you finish, I want you to send me a picture of it so I can see how beautiful it is. But first, remember the life cycle of a seed. Seed, sprout, seedling, plant. Has to go in that order. I'll see you next time.